leggings, no! Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be... I'm sorry.
No.
Hello, welcome back.
Uh-oh.
It's been a month, and I know all of my subscribers have been waiting so patiently to hear from me again. So, you want to know how the tights came out. I already told you, but since my SIM card wasn't in, I have to refilm this. The nylon tights were too thin, and the metallic thread really ripped it up and made it really weak. So I had to take some tan colored thread and sew it back up, which was really annoying, but at least it took it off the tights, so I guess that's a plus. Another thing that was really annoying was that the spray adhesive that I use to attach my stabilizer and my nylon tights together, it actually clung to the fibers of my thread. So the Comme des Garçons tights, I used black thread, and when I took off the stabilizer and washed everything off, there were still black fibers sticking to the nylons, and I had to take rubbing alcohol and my thumbnail and just like scratch the nylons. And instead of taking it off the nylons, well, I shouldn't say that, instead of taking it off, it actually just moved the sticky black fibers to my skin, and I had to scrub it off my skin. Unfortunately, I also had this huge glamorous design for my sun and moon tights, which I didn't get to do because I was getting so frustrated because these tights were just ripping everywhere because of the metallic coating that the manufacturer put over the thread to give it that shiny gold and silver look. I wanted to use it because it's the sun and it's the moon, and who doesn't? Like, it's always shiny. There's always, you know, gold embellishments in any sun design. So I figured I have to use this thread, but in practice, it didn't turn out that great. It ended up just really ripping up the nylon and making this horrid scratching noise every single time I pulled my thread through the fabric. So that was not fun. Overall, I would say that these tights were really difficult to make, and the chance of the nylon ripping is too high for me to want to do it again. But the outcome of at least the Comme des Garçons tights was super cool. But other than that, I would say it's probably not worth it to make these tights. It took me forever, and the outcome was just really scary because they kept ripping, and I have little seams all over my sun and moon tights, which isn't fun. you're making something simple or making something small, like the little heart that I did, then it might be worth a try.